Hey everyone, it's Raleigh, and today I'm going to be doing my weekly plan in my Hobonichi Cousin for the week of August 21st. And I'm going to be using this kit, which is actually the February monthly kit, but I love the colors in this so much that I got an extra one of these. I also did the same, I think it was with the June as well. I just like the kind of warm colors, and this one has like a chocolatey theme too. So I thought it would be a nice one for this week. When I'm deciding, it's just kind of how I'm kind of mood that I'm in, but this is one of my favorites, and I want to kind of end off August and go into September on a high note, so I thought I'd use this one. So I'm going to go ahead and use these day of the weeks that you would normally put on your kind of monthly calendar, but since we've got them, we'll use them here. And then I might also put the numbers on, I'm not sure, but let me get these down. And yeah, aren't these colors just beautiful? Here we go. All right, so I'll get the rest of these down and come back. Okay, just putting the last little Sunday on there. Nice. Okay, and I think I might actually put numbers down too if I can find them. I really have become a huge fan of these numbers. I just think they look really, really nice. And give it a, and the kits do too, but everything just gives it a kind of nice polished look. So let me start getting these numbers down. So we have space for them too on here. Numbers are down. There we go. Last one. And I'm really looking forward to this week. It's a bit different. I am going to actually be off on Monday because I have two cats and I'm taking them both to the vet. So yeah, I find it's just easier to just have the day off work. So we have a wellness day, so I took the day off, which will be nice. It'll still be a bit of a busy day, but oh, before I do that, let me just put this. Yeah, like, isn't this adorable? The whole like chocolatey, and because it was Valentine's too. Ah, so cute. Yeah, so Monday will be a day off and off work, and then the rest is just kind of a normal work week. And this week I don't have any out of office events going on. So last week I had kind of been I alternate sometimes. So last week I was using the times during the day to kind of mark off when things happened. I was also last week kind of focusing on my meals and having meals at like proper times, which did work. Well, work as in it was a good kind of prompt for me to do that. And I was just, as I was chatting, I was putting the washi down. So here, I'm just finishing it up. My mind gets a little distracted as I'm talking and doing. Yeah, so last week I used the time. This week I'm not going to, I don't think, because it's really just completely work at home this week. I have a few meetings and things, but over Zoom. But so I think this week what I'm going to do is just use kind of each day during the week and make a list of a couple things that I want to do. And I've been varying this, hey Wren. So I've been varying each week depending on what my week's looking like and kind of what I feel like I want to focus on. And oh, look at that sticky, it's so cute. So I'm gonna put that down for my wellness day, a little day off pillow, and then the marker for the appointments. Okay, I just had to lift that and replace it. There we go. And I'm kind of happy. It sounds, maybe sounds kind of ridiculous, but last week was the first week in a couple that I'd worked 5 days, and then again, this coming week, though, I'm off on Monday, which is kind of nice. Yeah, so I'll mark that. I'll put the vet appointment in there. And what else do we have? Oh, so we'll put the work sticker up here. I'm not sure about that washi color. I might change it out. It's a little more of a peachy pink, and so I might swap it out, but we'll leave it for now. I'll grab my little work sticker. If I can, okay, there we go. And I'll grab my arrows too. All right, just putting the last arrow down, and Wren is helping me a lot today, seeing her little feetsies. Actually, let me just, I just want to trim off this little bit. There we go. Okay, so what else do I want to use here? So yeah, I think I will this week just use the open layout, and then I'll just put a few different things along the bottom. Maybe Wren could help her. All right, let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna put this up here because in addition to being off this Monday next weekend, I'm really looking forward to it because I have a couple of my friends coming to town, so they're gonna come down Saturday and stay over, and then Sunday we're actually going to a ball game. So I've been looking forward to this for a while, so make sure we've got a good box for that. And yeah, we'll use this for the ball game, Wren. Well, she matches with the brown and the white. Okay, let's see. I'm just not sure. Okay, yeah, we'll put this down because Saturday there'll be like a dinner thing when they come down. So we'll use that too. Is that a good spot, Wren? Okay. Let's see, what else do we have here? And she is being very helpful. She loves like stickers and papers and things, so she's trying to grab them. I have a little caddy actually on my desk for my, supplies, and she'll like go in there and just pull out the little post-it notes. She doesn't actually eat anything or chew anything. She just likes to kind of carry stuff around. So just put that deco piece at the bottom. Since I do have this whole monthly kit, I may as well use some of the other bits and pieces. And what else? Yeah, that washi, the more I'm seeing it, I think I need a more pinky one, but I'll hold off on that for now. And focus again. All right, so yeah, I think during the week, like I said, I think I'm just gonna have kind of sections, I think. Let me just very indecisive today. Let's see. I'm sure this is riveting. I'm very sorry. Okay. Yeah, we're going to put that there because it is payday. Yes, it is payday this week. And at least I think it is now. I'm second guessing myself. And the other, there she is again. I think I'm just going to leave this in the video. A lot of this I end up kind of taking out sometimes, but this is kind of the reality of doing this a lot of the time. I'll just leave all the fur and the little paw pads in today. Yes, okay, yes. So I want to use my family time there because my friends, we've known each other for ages and they're like family, so we'll mark that down. Won't we, Wren? Good girl. I think she wants to be lifting everything off the paper. I know she does. Okay. I'll get this out of the way. And yeah, so I think now I just need to figure out kind of during the week what I want to use for, I think maybe I'll just put some headers. One of the things I did order recently that I think should be coming in actually soon is the Coffee Monsteez Co has new kind of today stickers that I really like in Helen's writing. So looking forward to using those. Oh, and since we have the monthly kit too, I'm going to use these little icons. So there's kind of a message and connect and a heart and an exclamation. Because I think this time kind of the side and even the bottom, I'm going to do it a little kind of looser than I normally do. So those look really cute. And what else do I feel like putting on? Oh, I want to put currently watching. I've been trying to keep track of, things I want to watch and I kind of start and don't, but I want to have a list because one of the things I'll be focusing on this week is kind of deciding on something to watch and kind of a time to watch it. Otherwise, I just kind of have a whim of, oh, hey, I kind of want to watch this, but then I sometimes I'm too tired and then I don't watch new things. I end up watching old things, which is okay. But I want to make a list of stuff. So if I'm thinking that I want to watch something, I can actually kind of have a look through and see which one I'm feeling like watching. And even though the sticker is kind of meant to put kind of the one thing, I'll just sort of put a list underneath there. Ah, my beautiful girl. There we go. I guess I have to be extra nice because she's going to the vet. So there we go. As I kind of, yeah. Okay. Very helpful. I'm trying to put another sticker on under here as she's trying to take it away from me. There we go. Because it is, this will be leading into the last weekend before the new month. So I always like to that kind of weekend before, that week before, do a deeper clean. And I love these house stickers that Coffee Monsteez Co has for this. And it just happens that the sticker, you can actually design your own of these, like get different rooms, but the one that they have preset matches perfectly with my upstairs, my home. So that's good. And that I had put there for finance stuff. So I'll put that little finance emoji on there. And we're getting there slowly but surely. I'm back. I ended up having to stop recording, and now it is the next day where I had got ahead and finished up, but I hadn't recorded it. So I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. So I just have a few sections at the bottom, and then what I did for the Tuesday through Friday, because I'm not going to use the timing this week, is I just put kind of little areas where each day I can put a couple things that I want to get done. So, and then I just filled in some more of the information. So yeah, I think it came out pretty well. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you did leave a comment, I'd love to hear from you, and especially if you have any ideas. Thanks.